Amolongo.
Namba bamba nami. Ewe yani.
Ukhuluma nomama wakho kanjena sani?
Mama ka go ana go mpapapaka, wa sa go mpapapaka.
Uhlulile.
Di boy ka ba motšhaba go habo ba nang nna ka motšhaba ka motseyan. Ke nyaka go bontsha gore ngwana ke ngwana. A ona blamfana. Man. Dis ka ngafisa lena. Topang dibeke tseo. Kalibizo ke Prince Simphiwe Mazibuko, better known as Prince wako Pitori, sniper Kalifuku, favorite yabo Kuku, the son who was born before his father. Utui Clever is a boot camp that found its way to TV via TikTok, or Tomile TikTok, or Facebook, or 157, or Mojalaf, Remonad. I am a disciplinarian. So we important blind or prepare days before Camp Betoma because prepare mentally. It's very much important to get anagada sharp meditation waka gerata ho walk around the area. So there's something about nature so you don't reconnect the zone. Even before Camp Betoma, to level the case Kisbani wa no tshwenya mama haega ing. Sibani bani nga simukre go habo go mokra go boyfriend thing. Sibani bani go mokra ga ekae o zuba di drugs o dangerous o akona lo re nga mokra tshwere studi. He ke tsoha ke na le power ila ila ke mo the right state of mind to start doing the job. Let the games begin. Ngwana ke ngwana. Ha ona mkhukho jang big house. Ke phela ke le botsa bjao a ona bramfana e ka mo jobeke wa tseke go ditimetse o ka ra se juice mara fede re fitlhile ke ntlofu ya ngene lebitso la hae ba re ke Iva Nkosi no so re fitlhile wena re over le oledi o ka re ke sister hae o teng ba ruteng Iverse sa moiso o gitlile go laothing so bja no ikosa ntwe one ke ntlofu ya ngene ba jida ha re ba tsene sister okay lebitso ke Prince ke utlwa ba re walla ke na no re ke na kwa re increase level beno
Alright.
A ke tsore o nya kutla le nna ro molata kwa leng boteng
Yeah, ke tla tsamaya le wena.
go tsamaya le nna
Yeah.
tsamaye
Hai.
ke ntatalla ba pila mas
Ke yo.
hola o potlo mbulela braga stand by
Stolo Iva. Stolo nchip.
babotiwe urinda ya angivulele fasting yami njahita
Igama lami uVuyelwa Nkosi, ngihlala eDurban Deep Soul Plaji. Igama lomntanami uEva, uyahlupha kalala endlini ku-age 16, udrope out esikolweni. Usihlulile.
khopela gore nna le wena re se ka sokodisana ne ra utlwana ke agreement akere o se kan disturb o kan disturb gore ba le bothata for no wa rena problem o na le mangai nna fase
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyadlala manje ukuthi
nna
ngizobulala.
fase
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyadlala.
ihlala phansi
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyadlala.
hlala phansi nna fase
Ngicabanga
bro
ukuthi ngiyadlala. Ngikhathele uwe wena.
Hlala
Ungabhizela umama uyahamba namhlanje. I'm tired of you. Awukhali nix. Awukhali nix. Ngikhathele uwe. Bona ukuthi uzibothoza kanjani intombazane engangawe. Intombazane engangawushawula mfana every week akhipha ibo, akhipha ikai.
Eva
Sathi sathale bozobudakiwe.
okay man moyana
Angikeli diaparo tsa ka ufela mo.
Eva ufuna ndana Mpeke phela ngisho ngikhuluma nawe uhleli nje usibonile isikhathi ulelephi ulelela unanga kumnyaka na 16 ne and then uyakwazi ukuzolala kweminye imizi at the age of 16 wena wawungalala ngekini Mpeke mara ngikhuluma nawe yazi angifuni ukulwa nawe mara sogcina silwa manje wawungalala ngekini bakushadile la ufuna lo mntwana la ujola naye so wena uyakwazi ukuthatha umntwana ongaka uzomletha uzombeka kwakho kukwakho la udlala nobani umbeka isandla umshayelana shaya mina sibone shaya mina ungahleki uhlekana wona sana yini into ehlekisayo uhlekana usmayilelana ya litseni likopitori byanong ba re hae ke botšhabelo wa mfounela oledi wa lla a re ngosi a šia a nyako kolomaka a nyako dira selo re tsene bene kante ka mara pitori ke ka seaka byanong a bona nna a ke na taba gore ba mbiditse kae ba re diragalang bjang ka mtlasa traka o go mora wa mokhuku nametse building o ntse ko dima stop he re tsene quick sebuanayo so wa itse diragalang no ntanga o itse a ya camping le di-family members o itse a lata ke malome a itse gore malome ke nna a ngitse o thi ena e clever a re motseneng hola Fede
Sup.
my name is Prince.
Okay.
Do you know who I am?
Nah, I don't.
Have you seen me before?
Nah, I haven't. Hi, guys.
You haven't?
Sure.
Okay. So what's way up when?
Me, no?
Yeah,
To my dad's place.
to your dad's place.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, you've been giving your mom problems. You've been giving your mom troubles, and your mom doesn't sleep because of your behavior.
Oh, what show is this?
The show is called Uthi Uitleva. I'm sure now Uthi Uitleva.
Nah.
Umhlupha ngani already?
Next.
Umhluphi? Serious?
Serious.
Why would your mom call me if I'm mhluphi? You are Pam?
Yeah.
You smoke?
I will smoke weed.
Huh?
Cigarette. That's it.
That's smoking. What do you smoke? Let's talk about it. What do you smoke? And be honest to me, because I'm gonna test you.
Sure. Just smoke weed. Cigarette. That's it.
You drink?
Yeah, alcohol. Yes.
All right. Now here's the magical question.
Sure.
How clean is your room right now?
My room. My place. No, it's clean.
Can I go up there and see?
Yeah, we can.
What's your name again?
Santino.
So this is what's going to happen, Jayamne.
Sure.
You're going to take your things.
Yeah.
You're going to leave with me.
Sure.
I'm gonna be with you for 10 days. I'm gonna take your phone. You're not gonna smoke. You're gonna meet other people like you who think they don't have a problem, but they actually do have a problem.
Guys, can talk about
Do you think?
I will talk.
Okay.
Me and you will talk together.
Do you think you have a problem?
No, I don't.
You don't have a problem.
Honestly, 100%. I'm sober, guys. As you see me on TV right now, I'm sober. I'm sober, Uncle.
All right.
Uncle, me, I wanted to go to my dad's place. Now they're telling me I have to go for rehab. It's not fair, Uncle.
You're not going to rehab.
Some of us, Uncle, we have to study, Uncle. Me, Uncle, I'm a student.
No one said you're going to
It's not fair.
to rehab. Are we gonna leave?
Let's talk.
Are we gonna leave?
Yeah, I will leave, but we'll talk.
Right now, what I need from you is for you to take your things and come with me.
Nah, it's cool, but we'll talk, Uncle.
isiZulu yasazi isiZulu
Yes, sir.
okay zokhuluma isiZulu ke ukusuka lana ukuya phambili mina nawe ke asambe ufuna ukubambe ngezandla ikhomba ukuthi azidlali la uhlekani ngani omunye umama uwe lo uwe lo
umshebeli isifahle una lithi maka asikayipata
Ifa
asikayipata ahlusele litsogo
bekwenzekeni la
ke go sele ngwane
ulimazweni ulimele uphi
umaka le mangwele a ubotho ke umaka
ing emolzong re ke bona letsola hao mponse letsola hao
umshebeli distuka mo stupile di
kuilalang mo Ifa
man pitsa di boyfriend
what's going on here
wano o seleng
let's go Ifa uyapema upema yeah hookah pipe kolmi qiniso nensalo kuphelele lapho ngiyokutesta phela uyazi you know that ngiyakuthatha ngihamba nawe I'm going to teach you manners I am going to teach you to be a young lady emfethu yazi lento oyenzayo ukuthi iqala ngokwayo yazi papa abazali bakho basendlini ngukuphi kini yazi manje siyenzani mina na ngifuna ukuthi wena uzibonakalisa ukuthi awusidle na ifuna yakho angisho uqala ukuthi uyiclever wena uthi uyiclever wena ufuna ukukhomba ukuthi awusidlever ke ngihamba nawe ngiyakuthatha angikubuzi ngiyakutshela kodwa uyayilwisa ufuna ukuyigostisa riding ake impahla zakho ngihamba nawe ufuna unikhomba ukuthi lento eniyenzani nibancane njahela into zabantu abadala bheka kunamagazi kunani nani uhlezi lana mara umncane nawe uyingane ukwazi ukuthatha ingane umunye umuzi uzolala nayo la sukuma ndoda asenze ngathi siyaphangisa hamba uthatha impahla zakho ngiyakuthatha nawe
yena owudlula mangiteli yapha kwathi
sesithi yaparo zawo tsotso
engicede ukuthengela zona
smell